How to add DFI Money on MetaMask. Are you guys facing issues to add DFI Money on MetaMask application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaMask on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now tap on the plus icon. After you click on plus icon, tap on search bar. Now search for DFI Money. You are looking to add DFI Money, right? Just take the box and hit the next button. Click on import. As soon as you click on import, DFI Money will be added on MetaMask application. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna add DFI Money on MetaMask application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding MetaMask application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.